That is, this green one shoots you around. A lot of times people get stuck up in this area where the staircase is. Let's see them come down. They gotta climb up all the stairs first. Looks like it was gonna rain today, but ended up turning out to be a good day. They are still making their way up, coming up to right there, but they're almost there. The green one right there that shoots you around. They come out there. There they are. Almost there. What do you think, Addison? You think they're gonna get stuck?
I have no idea. I don't think they're gonna get stuck.
You want to go on it?
But no.
Why not? No? Brady said Grandpa has to go first, so if he gets stuck, then
I feel like he wants Grandpa to go first because he's gonna chicken out.
Yeah, I think he wants to see if Grandpa's gonna get stuck. So then if he gets stuck, Brady won't go on. The green one drops you and the floor drops when you go. So far I haven't seen anybody get stuck. Brady keeps saying he wants to go on it, but he was scared. Oh, they're at the top now. All the way up there. There's Brady in his orange shorts. Looks like Grandpa is headed down first. Hopefully he took his sunglasses off. They had to do a weight check. Make sure he was heavy enough. You have to be over 100 pounds, I believe, to go on. Now they're giving Grandpa instructions on how to stand while you're in there, arms crossed, it looks like. Stand straight, and then the floor drops and you are shot through. Grandpa's loaded. Here he comes, Addison. He's loaded up. Say bye! They don't tell you when you're going to drop. They just kind of drop you. Which in a way is better, because if I knew, I think I'd be a little too scared. I haven't gone on it. There he goes, Addison. There he goes through the chute. Oh, he made it! Woo! Whoa! How was it, Dad? Grandpa said it wasn't bad. He got water in his eye, though. Okay, Brady's getting loaded up. There goes Brady. He's getting loaded. I don't see him yet. Hopefully you don't chicken out beforehand. There he goes. Woo! He made it! Woo! You did it! Woo! How was it? You didn't get stuck. You didn't get stuck.
Yeah, so you got goggles. You put the goggles on, it'd be great. I couldn't see nothing because the water kept hitting my eyes.
Were you scared? No, you finally did it. 11 years later.
I want to go again.
Brady's 11th birthday. He is headed down the double barrel drop. Grandpa is going with. They're right there, ready to go down. Grandpa's first time on it after they climbed up all those stairs over here. Lots of stairs to get up there. See what they think. Brady's been on it, but Grandpa hasn't, and he wanted Grandpa to try it. Alright, Grandpa's going on the blue and green, and Brady is on pink and orange. They're sitting down, getting ready to go. There goes Brady. Grandpa chickened out. He got stuck. There he goes. There he goes. let it get going. You got. You got.
My ass.
Oh, what?
All right.